how's it going? So this is gonna be the worst video on YouTube ever, but I'm kind of making it probably for myself because most people probably not gonna use it. This is AngularJs. Okay, so we're creating a custom filter like this. I'll go step by step. I think I already done something like this, but whatever. Okay, so we create filter, which is called multiply by anything, and we're gonna create it in here. So we take our module, which is our const, put it in here, filter, whoopsie, and then we want to name it multiply by anything. Okay, so then we do a function, return function, and this is where our argument 1 is gonna go, and then return arg1. Okay, so let's console log arg1 YouTube demo, because I have so many console logs, it's insane. Okay, so look, we're looking at YouTube demo, and we see that this array is the first argument. So how did this function, how did this filter get, where did the array came from? So filters work like this. The first argument comes from the left side of the pipe. So this is the pipe. Whatever is on the left side, in this case, it's array with numbers, which is coming from, obviously from here in the controller. Okay. Bottom line, it's an array 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it gets to the filter whatever is on the left side is this argument here. So obviously when you create filter, you name it, you have function, and then you return a second function, and here you put the arguments. So this is the argument and this is the array. Okay? So let's say we want to do something with this. Let's call this multiply by 2. Okay? So what we can do is we can take this array, let final equals arg1 map and then item, whoopsie, multiplied by 2, whoops, and then we return the final. Now, why you don't want to do the, you know, in React normally you can do find, which is return arg1, and then you map it, you just return this part. But Angular does not like it for some reason. It likes you to define a variable first and then return the variable. I saw a few bugs happen because of this, so I'm just saying that it's better to do it in Angular. Okay? So now what we're gonna see is all the items in here have now doubled. Wait. Am I trolling? Did I save? Okay. Multiply by 2. So item is multiplied by 2. Item, yeah. Return item multiplied by 2. Yeah, everything's correct. It should be working. Whoopsie. Okay. What is it saying? Oh, it's because I changed the name. Oh my god. Oh, whoops. I already have it in here. Yep, I was a little bit trolling. My apologies. Whoops. Okay, so now it should work. Yeah, so you see, now they're all multiplied by 2. We need to focus on this part here. Okay, so let's say we wanted to multiply by a specific number. Okay, so it's gonna get a little bit confusing. So we need argument 2, which is gonna be a specific number. Specific number. And we want to multiply our array by the specific number. Okay, so how can we pass this specific number into this filter? Now this is where Angular gets super confusing. You do it like this. So let's say 4. You put the little thingy in here. and then voila, all of them are now multiplied by whatever 4. So you see, your first argument is whatever is on the left, and then all other arguments are whatever you put after the little semicolon, I think it's called, right? So let's say you want to pass, you can pass infinite number of arguments. You can pass a string, I don't know, number, as long as they're, like, think of a currency filter. Currency filter has what? You have your item, then you have currency, then you have symbol, and then you have decimal points, okay? So look, this is a filter that gets first argument from whatever's on the left, and then your symbol is going to be argument 2, and then decimal points is argument 3. So same principle in here. Your first argument is whatever is on the left, and then other arguments are being passed by using semicolon. Okay, so I'll show it to you. So we can just spread args like this. Args, and then we can console log args, and then we can return, because the first one's going to be array, right? So we're just going to return the array. So you see all of our arguments are now passed. So you have array, which is the first argument. We have 4, which is our second argument. So this is the first argument, this is the second argument, this is the third, and this is the fourth. So you see, array is the first, 4 is the second, string is third, and number 5 is fourth. Do you see? So let's pass another argument. Again, we can semicolon, YouTube, hello, okay? So you will see that the YouTube hello is going to get added. Whoopsie, what's happening? Oh, it's because I forgot this thing. Yeah, so you see YouTube hello is now the 5th argument. As long as you use the semicolon, you can just pass infinite amounts. Just remember, the first argument is in here. Okay, so how do we overcome, I think I already covered this, right? How do we overcome the issue with it being an array? We just return a new array. So multiply by anything. Let's just do multiply by anything, args. So let's do args multiplied by args 1. Oh my god, Angular is so confusing. So now everything is going to get multiplied by 4. I think so, right? I forgot to save, I think. What doesn't it like? Multiplied by anything is defined. Oh. Yeah, because I'm trolling basically. I need to do it this way. Not final equals args 0, which is our array, map, item, and then we return item multiplied by args 1. This is the correct way to do it. Because I was multiplying array by whatever is the number. So this is why it got trolled hardcore. Yeah. Oh, it's returning currency. Oh my god, I need to get rid of the currency. Yeah, so we have everything now multiplied by 4. Whichever number we put in here, you see. So we can put maybe, I don't know, 6. There you go. Everything is now multiplied by 6. And you can see our arguments in here. Okay, take care. So that's how you solve the array problem. You just return a new array and it works. And that's about it, okay? Take care, bye-bye.